right, everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So starting out today, I worked on demoing some live circuits. Obviously turned them off, but there were some live circuits and some junction boxes, so I went ahead and worked on those, coordinating with some of the hospital people to shut those off at the right time so nobody was left in the dark. Obviously put on some mud rings, took out some cut-in boxes, worked on putting on some mud rings. My apprentice worked on piping out from the switch box down to the vanity light over here for the switch leg. Still need to put in the MC wire for that. And then they already sheetrocked and dropped the ceiling, as you saw. So we went ahead and strapped our MC wire for the bathroom receptacle out into the hallway because they're going to hard lid this bathroom. So I went ahead and dropped that wire out here. And then moving on, I went ahead and strap down these flexes for the nurse call indicator light. I believe it's some kind of nurse call light. I don't know the specific name, but for the nurse call box, I went ahead and strapped down the flexes and put on the mud ring. And then worked on, or my apprentice also worked on strapping down this door flex, which will go down to the door locks later. So got that up and out. Strapped down in a more permanent situation, and then I extended this fire alarm chase right here because it was too short. It wasn't out of the sheetrock, so I went ahead and just put a coupling on that, and then a little like 6-inch piece of 1-inch, and the bushing back on it. And then from there, Stephen also worked on demoing some 277 lighting. He also helped me shut off some of the circuits and coordinate when we had to work in the containment cart. Stephen was our third person to shut off the circuit and stuff like that, so I appreciate that. And then on the other side of the wall where I demoed out the 2 or 3 pipes earlier that I showed you where the holes were, went ahead and cut one of the circuits back, basically just took off the coupling. I was out of focus here for a second, but anyways, I took off the coupling and then just mounted that box right there. So I just went ahead and just took off the coupling and then remounted the connector and then reused the box that I took off at the end, and just put that hot circuit back in this box right here. So it's outside of that room, exam room 5. Still have to demo this old pipe going down the hallway in that box that's sitting right there. Has like 50 feet of pipe on it, so that'll have to come out eventually, but for now I'm going to work on some other things tomorrow, which will be a whole nother project tomorrow, and then worked on starting this 3-gang box right here at the end of the day, mounting this, re-lasering the heights, mounting the box, getting the connector in there. Still has to have a 1-inch 90 coming out of the wall. But anyways, that pretty much wrapped up my day. Exciting day tomorrow. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of the day. Peace.